So in this video we're going to look at how to import a standard layers palette into Eurosystem's OptiScout 9. So I'm going to go to layers palette at the top. You can see that I don't have many layers in there. I'm going to go to this little arrow palette menu there. I'm going to go to load palette. So in this list we have our different palette types. Now I have made one, so it's on my desktop I believe. There it is. I'm going to press open, so it's a .pal, and you can see that I've now got a range of different names. So now that's done, if I shut down this job by clicking on the little X and press no, then go File, New, you'll see that that is now my standard palette. So if I was to bring this job back in again, if I was to select a part of the job, I can now send that to a different layer, let's say KissCut, and we've now got a layer called KissCut. So that's how we import our CMYUK standard palette set into Eurosystem's OptiScout 9.